apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for ball, bouncing at my feet. C is for cat, with a gentle meow. D is for dog, let's pet it now. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, stretching up high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly, wobbly in my tummy. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest, in a tall, tall tree. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for parrot, that's us all day. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rain, falling all around. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train, chugging left and right. U is for umbrella, keeping me dry. V is for violin, play it, oh my. W is for whale, swimming so fast. X is for xylophone, let's have a blast. Y is for yacht, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes and rows. Goodbye, kids. I hope you really enjoyed this easy and funny way to learn ABCs. Keep practicing. You can say all the letters. You are amazing.
And today I'm going to show you how you can make money by creating AI animated educational songs for kids. If you've been wondering how creators are raking the cash with kids' content on YouTube, I'm about to break it all down step by step. This isn't just about creating videos. It's about using powerful AI tools to boost your income by crafting engaging, educational content that kids and parents love. The first thing you'll need is a catchy educational song. Kids love to learn through music, so your song needs to be fun and informative. I used ChatGPT to help brainstorm the lyrics for my song, which I called Larry's and Kicks. I started with the basics, A to Z, for each letter. ChatGPT helped me come up with interesting items and actions, like animals or dancing kicks, that would be fun and easy for kids to understand. Next, ChatGPT didn't stop at just writing lyrics. It also helped me generate prompts for each scene in the song. For example, for the letter A, we had an alligator dancing, and for B, a bunny hopping. These prompts are crucial because they guide the visuals, which will make your video more engaging and keep your audience glued to the screen. This is where your potential to make money really grows, because kids' content needs to be colorful and dynamic to keep them entertained. Once I had my prompts ready, I used ChatGPT
and Leonardo AI
to generate the images for each scene.
by copying and pasting the prompt.
With these images, I had a clear idea of what my video would look like. Kids love bright, colorful visuals, so I made sure the designs were vibrant and eye-catching. Here's a pro tip. AI-generated images are a huge time saver, and using tools like ChatGPT to help with these visuals can save you hours of work, which means more time for creating multiple videos. So, the images were ready, but they needed some motion. That's where Pix vs. AI
And Hilo AI
came into play. I uploaded my generated images
into Hilo AI.
to animate them.
Hilo AI.
It was incredible at turning still images into fun, moving characters.
To do that, click on Create from the home page and upload the photo. Next, type in a prompt or copy the prompt from ChatGPT band, paste the prompt, then click on Generate.
And that's exactly what you need to make your video stand out in a crowded space like kids' content. Animation might sound like a lot of work, but with AI tools, it becomes much faster. And with these animations, you'll create a high-quality product that keeps kids watching. No educational song is complete without music, right?
Finally, I add the finishing touches in CapCut. I select a cheerful sound that resonates with the keys and pick a lively voice to read the alphabet from A to Z, along with the song's lyrics, which I generated using ChatGPT. I chose this route instead of using AI-generated music from Suno AI because I'm not on the pro version and I wanted to avoid any potential copyright issues. Using those tracks without a subscription can get tricky, especially for commercial use. So, I stick with CapCut, where I can find the perfect happy sound for the kids. Once everything is in place, I add sound effects, smooth transitions, and a final polish to complete the video. And just like that, I'm done.
Now, here's the real deal. How do you turn all this work into money? Well, creating educational kids content is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. Channels like Cocomelon, Baby Shark, and Blippi are pulling in millions of views. And they make their money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. By following the step-by-step guide, you can create your own engaging animated songs for kids and monetize your videos the same way. Focus on building a consistent upload schedule, and soon, your videos can start getting ad revenue from YouTube's partner program. You can also expand other income streams like brand partnerships and merch. And that's it. By using AI tools like ChatGPT, Pixverse, and CapCut, I was able to create a fun, educational kids song in no time. And you can too. If you want to make money creating content like this, the key is consistency, creativity, and leveraging the power of AI to streamline the process. So, get out there, start creating, and turn your videos into cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.